Good morning, children. In today's science session, you will be able to identify leaves and its different parts. Before we go further, let us first recap what we learned in our previous class. In our previous class, we learned about stem. The stem grows upward and is the main part of the shoot. It can be strong or weak. We also learned that the stem carries water and nutrient to different parts of the plant. Branches, leaves, flowers and fruits grow on stem. In some plants, stem store food for the plant. It supports the plant to stand straight. Now let us observe some plants around us. Children, as we see, all plants have leaves. Leaves are thin, flat, and usually green in color. We see different kinds of leaves here. Some leaves are big and some are small. Not just the size, even the shapes are different. So there are many varieties of leaves. But the basic structure of all the leaves is the same. Now let us look at the different parts of a leaf. The leaf is connected to the branch or stem by the stalk. The flat surface of the leaf is called the leaf blade. Children, if you look carefully, you will observe lines on the leaf blade. These lines on the leaf blade are called veins. There is a thick vein in the middle of the leaf. It is called the midvein. The veins act as a pipeline which carries the water, mineral, and the food up and down the leaves. The surface of the leaf has minute pores called stomata. Plants use this stomata to take carbon dioxide and release oxygen in the air. Plants also lose their extra water through stomata. Why most of the leaves are green? Usually, leaves are green due to the presence of a substance called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps in food preparation. Leaves that are not green also have chlorophyll, but it is hidden.